Ndewonu, ndị ọma, ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello, my amazing Igbo language learners. How are you all doing? So, our Igbo word for today, okwu Igbo nke tata bụ ihe anyị kpọrọ biko, biko, biko. Biko in English bụ please. Biko in English is please. It's a very common, familiar word that almost everybody, both Igbos and non-Igbos, use often. And learning how to use it will help you in your language journey. Let's make sentences with Biko. Biko bia. See how simple it is. Biko bia. Please come. Biko bia. Please come. Biko nyem mmiri. Biko nyem mmiri. Remember the last time we talked about water as mmiri. Biko nyem mmiri. Please give me water. Biko bia. Please come. I know you've learned something new today. Please attempt to make your own sentences and put it in the comment section. That is also the best way to learn and practice. See you tomorrow for another time. Kemesia.